Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world, and you are safe and secure. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Hopefully, the month of Ramzan Mubarak is going well for all of you. Remember me in your prayers, and happy Ramzan Mubarak to all of you if you are new and seeing and watching me my video first time. From the thumbnail, you got an idea that in today's video, the topic for discussion is 5 important things that you must know whenever you start working on YouTube channel. This video is very informative, very important, very useful for all those YouTubers which are new on YouTube. But if you are old YouTuber, I mean your channel is monetized, so still this video is very important for you, because after monetization maybe you are missing these concepts, these points. So before going to start the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon, so you will get latest video notification first of all. So let's move toward the topic. The first important thing that you must know while you start working on YouTube channel is the idea or the topic on which you are going to upload videos, or you are uploaded videos. Because mostly people start working and they upload 5, 10, 15, 20 videos on some topics, but after uploading 20 videos they stop uploading videos. Why? Because they do not have enough command on that topic which they are uploading videos. The skill is very limited, the knowledge is very limited, so that's the problem. The point is, take your time and take your time. And when you decided to upload videos, so select one major topic. Along with one major topic, around about 6 to 20 videos or 30 videos you must upload within a month. Minimum 6 videos, and maximum you can upload 10, 15, 20, 30, it's up to you how many videos that you can upload in 1 month. But minimum video 6 video. So you have strong knowledge, you have strong grip on the topic that you are supposed to be uploading. The second is, your skills is very unique, your topic is very unique, because on single topic there is a lot of YouTubers which are working in the world. So why people will come to your video, why they will like your videos, why they will subscribe your channel, why they will share your videos? If they subscribe to your channel with bell icon, so why they will come again on your channel videos? It's only possible when your content is reliable, your content is unique, your content is beneficial to them. They get some knowledge, some information after watching your channel videos. Either you have any topic. The problem of topics is what kind of topic, what are the different ideas, different topics on which we can start working on YouTube channel. So my previous video is a detailed video on this topic, in which I covered 16 very unique different channel ideas with you guys. So you can watch the video, the link is available in the I button description of this video as well, so you can understand it, you can watch the video and understand it, it will help you. So the first thing is a topic or idea or skill on which you are uploading videos. So you must be very confident and strong knowledge, and you can proceed the videos in uploading videos in future as well on the same topic. So that is the first point. The second point is channel logo and name of your channel. Because mostly people when they are new on YouTube, so they write the same channel name which as some other famous YouTuber have the same channel name. So they also use the same logo of the famous YouTuber as well. It's against YouTube policies. You have a very unique channel name, and your logo must be unique, because first impression is the last impression. So it will help you, it will really help you to grow your channel. So a question arises that from how we can make our channel logos and how we can make our channel name unique. So inshallah my next video which I will upload after this video is detailed video on this topic. So right now the point is unique channel name, unique channel logo. This is second point. Third point is, if you are belong to a rich family, you can afford, so then definitely you can use expensive gadgets like laptop for editing, camera for making videos, or mobile phone for making videos, and you can also use the paid software version as well for editing of the video. But if you are middle class, or you do not afford money, so no need to expend money in the beginning. When you start working on YouTube channel, you can use the mobile phone camera, laptop which you have already, so utilize this. Because I notice mostly people are very excited, and they expend huge money while buying these gadgets, but after some time, as I told you earlier, 10, 15 or maximum 20 video when they upload it, so they fill up. They do not show interest to upload videos after 20 videos. So all the money that they use to buy new gadgets is wasted. So don't do this thing. This is point third. Point four is your confidence level. Your when you face camera, so mostly people are feel very hesitation. Their confidence level is very low. They are very shy. So and this thing will repeat in their upcoming videos as well. So make sure that your confidence level is on the high. Your confidence level must be high when you are recording your videos. A question arises that how we can increase our confidence level when we face camera. So inshallah, again a detailed video on this topic I will upload later. But right now the point is, initially first time when you face camera, so you can record a video just for exercise, just for practice. Record at least 5 to 10 videos for exercise, for practice, and then watch your first video and your last video, 10 number video which you have recorded. So you can clearly feel the difference between these two videos. The first one, your vocabulary, your speaking flow is not good, but in your last video, 10 number video, the things are comparatively very better. And same when you continuously start uploading videos on YouTube and face camera, so definitely your confidence level will improve day by day. So this is point 4. Point 5 is, as you know, along with YouTube, there are some other social media platforms as well. So when you start uploading videos on YouTube, at the same time you have to create your profile at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and TikTok as well. And there are some other social media platforms as well. So you have to share your video link on all these platforms at the same time when you upload your video on YouTube channel. So definitely it will help you to grow your channel, because it is not 100% necessary that every people are watching YouTube. Some people just only use Facebook. So from Facebook, your video will reach to them. Some people use TikTok, so your video will reach to them on TikTok. Some people use Twitter, so your video will also reach to them through Twitter and through some other social media platforms as well. So these are the 5 things that you must know, that you must do if you are working on YouTube channel, and these are the 5 things that you must know if you are interested to start a new YouTube channel. So that's all about into the video. Hopefully it will help you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon, so you will get latest video notification first of all. See you soon in some next video. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.